Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a text mask on Wix Studio. Text masks are a fantastic way to create visually stunning typography on your website by filling text with images or gradients instead of solid colors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find an option called Site and Mobile App. Click on this, and a drop-down selection will appear. From the options presented, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the overview of all your websites. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure this is the correct website where you wish to add and edit a text mask. It's always good to double check you're working on the right project before making any changes. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. You'll typically find it beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward with editing your website. You'll now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is your main workspace for designing and customizing your site. From here, locate the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. You'll see a comprehensive list of all the elements and functions you can use and add to your website. This is where the magic happens in terms of design flexibility. From the list of elements, locate the text element and click on it. You'll see an expanded menu appear with various text options. From this expanded menu, select Text Mask. This specific element allows you to create that striking visual effect where text is filled with images or patterns rather than plain colors. Now you'll see several text mask designs that you can choose from. Browse through the options and click and drag the one you wish to use directly onto your website canvas. The placement is flexible, so you can position it wherever it fits best in your design. Now to edit the text mask, click on it and you'll see a Change Text button appear. This button lets you modify the actual text content of your mask, allowing you to personalize it with your own words or phrases. On the right side menu, this is where you can really customize the text mask to match your vision. You can adjust everything from the size to the responsive behavior, ensuring it looks great on all devices. Check on the Fill option, which is crucial as this determines what image or pattern appears inside your text. Click on the text section to change the style, font, and alignment, giving you complete control over how your text mask appears. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a text mask on Wix Studio, creating a visually compelling element that will make your website stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.